Hi, this is Home's Guide. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of culinary convenience with a roundup of the best mini food processors on the market. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or simply looking to streamline your kitchen, these compact powerhouses pack a punch. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more insightful content. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper and Mini Food Processor, a game changer for kitchen enthusiasts. With its powerful 350 watts motor, this sleek black appliance effortlessly handles dicing, mincing, and pureeing tasks with precision. Its 3-cup capacity provides ample room for ingredients, making meal prep a breeze. What truly sets it apart is its simplicity, easy assembly, intuitive operation, and hassle-free cleaning make it a must-have for busy kitchens. Whether you're whipping up salsa, chopping onions, or pureeing soups, this versatile gadget delivers consistent results every time. Say goodbye to tedious chopping and hello to culinary convenience with the Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper and Mini Food Processor. Number 2. Cuisinart has once again delivered excellence with their Mini Prep Food Processor Custom, boasting a compact design that doesn't compromise on power. This 2.63-cup wonder in sleek silver is a game changer in any kitchen. From chopping herbs to blending sauces, its versatility knows no bounds. The intuitive controls make operation a breeze, while the durable construction ensures longevity. The custom blade and powerful motor tackle ingredients with ease, delivering consistent results every time. Whether you're a culinary novice or a seasoned chef, this processor streamlines meal prep like a pro. Say goodbye to tedious chopping and hello to effortless food preparation with the Cuisinart Mini Prep Food Processor Custom. It's a kitchen essential that elevates cooking to new heights. Number 3. Procter Silex Durable Electric Vegetable Chopper and Mini Food Processor, your kitchen's new best friend. This sleek black appliance packs a punch with its ability to effortlessly chop, puree, and emulsify with its 1.5-cup capacity. Say goodbye to tedious chopping sessions and hello to convenience and efficiency. Whether you're whipping up a quick salsa for tacos or blending ingredients for a creamy soup, this handy tool delivers consistent results every time. Its durable design ensures longevity, while its compact size makes storage a breeze. With the Procter Silex Electric Vegetable Chopper and Mini Food Processor, culinary creativity has never been easier. Upgrade your kitchen arsenal today and experience the difference firsthand. Number 4. Brentwood MC109 or 1.5-cup Mini Food Chopper in Radiant Red. This compact kitchen companion packs a punch with its powerful chopping capabilities, making meal prep a breeze. From chopping onions to blending sauces, this mini chopper handles it all effortlessly. Its sleek design adds a pop of color to any countertop, while its easy-to-clean parts ensure hassle-free maintenance. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner cook, the Brentwood MC109R is a must-have tool for your culinary adventures. Say goodbye to tedious chopping and hello to quick and convenient meal preparation with this versatile kitchen essential. Number 5. LINK Chef Food Chopper, a game changer for any kitchen. This 5-cup food processor mini electric packs a powerful punch with its 250W motor, effortlessly handling a variety of tasks. From chopping vegetables to grinding meat, its 4 bi-level blades made of stainless steel ensure precision and efficiency every time. Say goodbye to tedious chopping and hello to more time for creativity in the kitchen. Whether it's onions, garlic, or nuts, this versatile appliance delivers consistent results. Its compact design makes it perfect for any kitchen countertop, while its 1.2L capacity caters to all your culinary needs. Revolutionize your cooking experience with the LINK Chef Food Chopper, your trusted companion for preparing salads, baby food, fruits, and more. In conclusion, Choosing the best mini food processor can significantly enhance your cooking experience, offering convenience and versatility in a compact package. Whether you prioritize power, capacity, or portability, there's a perfect option out there for you. We've explored a range of top contenders to help you make an informed decision. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful reviews, and be sure to like and share this video with fellow cooking enthusiasts. Happy blending!